Hey everyone, I'm Jeremy from Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone is surviving well. So I thought today would be a great day for a tailgate review, and today it's going to be for the Cinomadist Motion Backpack. It's currently on Kickstarter, fully funded. Yay for them. That's awesome. Congratulations. It's a multi-purpose, fully functional, convertible backpack. It can convert from a backpack to a duffel bag and back again. Great for EDC, great for commuting, tech bag, bug out bag, what have you. Whatever you want it to be, it would be great for. Has a lot of different pockets. Has a 28-liter capacity. A lot of great options. So I'm really excited about getting into this bag and showing you everything it has to offer. So let's do just that. So before we get too far into the bag here, I do want to reiterate that this is on Kickstarter and it has massively exceeded its funding goals, showing a strong community interest in the bag here, which is awesome. Congratulations to them. Taking a look at the outside here, it does seem like it has a strong urban aesthetic without looking too tactical, which is very important if you're going for the gray man look. It does look like the designers focus heavily on organization, accessibility, and modularity, and it is designed as a one bag solution, whether it be for work, commuting, transit, or short travel. Taking a look at the overall size of it, it is, as previously stated, 28-liter capacity. It is measuring 18.5 inches tall, 12.4 inches wide, and 0.71 inches thick without being packed out yet. And it will fit up to a 17-inch laptop. It is designed for both backpack and hand carry use, as you can see here. And we do have to flip it over and let those backpack straps out. It is marketed with a premium suspension system for weight distribution, which it is very soft and very comfortable on the back here, and it does have that chest strap here. Does have a total of 17 pockets and 25 attachment points all over the bag. And one of the pockets, I think, is a neat little pocket right here. But we also see those attachment points all over the place. We also have this is where you can hook this onto a rolling luggage bag. And all sorts of different adjustment points to make this very comfortable to carry. Flipping it back over, we do have that center zipper, which is on a unique side for a backpack, but that's what makes it a great duffel bag. As you see here, we have that main compartment and the clothing straps. There are some interior pockets. There are mesh pockets. There's no shortage of pockets in this bag here. I kind of wish that we had some paracord pulls here instead of these metal pulls, but they can be changed or quieted. We have some more pockets here. And a key leash. Very comfortable hand holding straps here. And those attachment points. And there is another pocket here with a nice gold interior. Makes it easy to find things. We also have a pocket over here, which is hiding a secret water bottle bag, as well as a kind of a hook so you can hang this from your closet rod. And then there is one pocket at the top here, along with another grab handle. Pockets are plentiful, and this does have some separation in that as well. It is felt lined. Then we also have the tech portion of the bag. And that's where we can fit the 17-inch laptop right there. It is very, very soft, very plush, and it will fit that 17-inch laptop. And this will fit a very large tablet in front of the laptop. Inside here, we also have another mesh pocket and some other pockets for tech storage, maybe a external hard drive, maybe a mouse, some pens, an Apple pen if you want. You have another pocket here, a very deep pocket. So again, pockets aplenty with this bag here. There's no shortage of pockets. So I've yet to put this on with it fully loaded out. So I'm going to see what it feels like, and I'm probably going to have to adjust it. It's actually not too bad in its current configuration. It'll almost be a very comfortable rocking bag too. Very easy to adjust. Very comfortable. The padding in the back is very nice. The padding on the shoulders, very comfortable. Nothing's digging into my lower back. It doesn't feel like it's pulling on my shoulders too badly. So that's the Cinomadist Motion Backpack. As usual, I will leave the link down in the description for you to take a look at it if you're at all interested. I want to thank Cinomadist for sending this out to the channel for us to take a look at. I greatly appreciate it. I most appreciate you stopping and checking out this video. If you want to help support this channel, the best thing you can do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment down below, and if you see it, hit that hype button. And as always, I hope you're having an amazing day, and I'll see you next time.
In my jeans, wallet tape and a little bit of means. I got a flashlight in the glove, a small town map and enough to patch the wheel or cut the twine. Little things save big time. If the wind blows rough, if the day gets mean, I know what I got in my everyday carry. Everyday carry keeps me standing. Everyday carry, I don't need asking. Pocket full of grit, hand me the day, I'll handle it. Everyday carry keeps me standing. Parking lot, fix the hinge with the one I got. Busted zip, blue screw, tone strap, I make it work. I've got my map, a bandage, roll a light, a string, old pocket blade, and a stubborn ring. When the world leans heavy on me, I stay ready. Quietly, if the road runs dry, if the plans unwind, I know what I got right there by my side. Everyday carry keeps me standing. Everyday carry, I don't need asking. Pocket full of grit, hand me the day, I'll handle it. Everyday carry. place. When the trouble comes around, I stay calm, feet on the ground. Everyday carry keeps me standing. Everyday carry, I don't need asking. Pocket full of grit, hand me the day, I'll handle it. Everyday carry keeps me standing. Woo! Keys on the hook, knife in my jeans. Little things save big time.